Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. So, what is P0796? The official description is pressure control solenoid. See performance or stuck off. In simple terms, your car's transmission control module, or TC, has detected a problem with a specific solenoid responsible for managing fluid pressure inside your automatic transmission. This solenoid, labeled C, plays a crucial role in making your gear shifts smooth and efficient. It acts like a tiny valve, opening and closing to direct transmission fluid to the right clutch packs at the right time. When the TCM commands it to change pressure, it expects a specific response. If that response doesn't happen, or if the solenoid is stuck, it triggers the P0796 code and usually turns on your check engine light. So, what are the symptoms you might experience? The most obvious one is the check engine light, but you'll likely notice some performance issues too. You might experience harsh or delayed shifting, or the transmission might feel like it's slipping between gears. In some cases, your vehicle might get stuck in a single gear, which is a safety feature called limp mode, or fail-safe mode. This is designed to protect the transmission from further damage. You could also notice a decrease in fuel economy. Since the transmission isn't operating at its peak efficiency, it might even refuse to shift into certain gears at all. Now, let's talk about the common causes. It's not always the solenoid itself that's the problem. The number one culprit is often low or dirty transmission fluid. Transmission fluid is the lifeblood of your transmission. It lubricates, cools, and provides the hydraulic pressure needed to shift gears. If the fluid level is low, the pump can't build enough pressure for the solenoids to work correctly. If the fluid is old and contaminated with debris, it can clog the tiny passages within the solenoid in the valve body, causing it to stick. Another common cause is a faulty pressure control. Solenoid C itself, like any electronic component, solenoids can fail over time. The internal wiring can short out, or the mechanical valve part can get stuck open or closed. It's a hard-working part, constantly cycling, so wear and tear is inevitable. Beyond the fluid and the solenoid, we could be looking at wiring issues. The wires leading to the solenoid can get damaged, corroded, or develop a short. This would prevent the TCM signal from ever reaching the solenoid. This is especially common in older vehicles, or those driven in harsh climates with a lot of road salt. In less common but more serious cases, the problem could be a faulty valve body. The solenoid screws into the valve body, which is a complex maze of channels and valves. If the valve body is warped, cracked, or clogged with sludge, it can cause all sorts of pressure-related issues, even if the solenoid is brand new. And finally, although it's rare, a faulty transmission control module could be the root cause. The TCM might be sending incorrect signals or not sending any at all, leading it to mistakenly flag a perfectly good solenoid. So, how do you diagnose and fix P0796? First things first, check your transmission fluid. With the engine warm and running in park or neutral, depending on your vehicle's specific procedure, check the dipstick. Is the fluid level correct? What's the color and smell? Healthy fluid is typically bright red and doesn't smell burnt. If it's dark brown or black and smells burnt, it's overdue for a change. If the level is low, top it off and see if the code clears. If the fluid is dirty, a fluid and filter change is your best first step. If the fluid is fine, the next step is to test the solenoid itself. This usually requires a good scan tool that can command the solenoid to activate. You can also test the solenoid's resistance with a You'll need to look up the correct resistance specification for your specific vehicle. This often involves dropping the transmission pan to access the solenoid, which can be a messy job. While you're in there, inspect the wiring for any visible damage. If the solenoid and wiring check out, the problem likely lies deeper, possibly with the valve body or the TCM at this point. Unless you're a seasoned DIY mechanic with advanced diagnostic tools, it might be time to consult a professional transmission specialist. They have the equipment to properly diagnose complex internal transmission issues. Fixing a P0796 code can range from a simple fluid top-off to a more involved solenoid replacement or even a valve body repair. The key is to start with the simplest and most common causes first. Regular maintenance, like changing your transmission fluid at the recommended intervals, is the best way to prevent this and many other transmission problems. I hope this video gave you a clearer understanding of the P0796 fault code. It can seem intimidating, But with a logical diagnostic approach, you can get to the bottom of it. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more automotive tips and repair guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.